Hello friends, this is Akshay and welcomes you all on this channel of Career Edge, and I am back with one more video where you are going to get some very beautiful goodies from a very good company, and this time this is from Salesforce. And in this goodies there is many things, just like community badges are there from Salesforce, which you can share on different type of social media platforms and also on LinkedIn. And there are some very special t-shirts from Trailhead. You can see this is a very special t-shirts, and only 1000 t-shirts are there, which they are going to share with you all. And also there is a Trailblaze hoodie, and total 500 Trailblazer hoodie is going to be distributed for those who going to complete this quest. And for the completing this quest, you need to go through the link in the description, and there you find a link. But firstly, you need to go through this full video so that you get all the knowledge of this Salesforce Trailblazers and different type of things and skill badges which is available on the Salesforce, and how you can complete that. So let me go and show you all the things. So here I am on the platform of Salesforce. Salesforce Trailhead means there is a very good company which is an emerging cloud company that is called Salesforce. You all know about cloud, and you also already know about AWS, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure. But this is a new company which is emerging in a cloud sector, that is called Salesforce. And for preparing youngsters for to get knowledge about Salesforce, that they made this platform that is called Trailhead, and there you can go and learn different type of things with quests and skill badges are there. And you can just like Google Cloud Platform and AWS, you can achieve your certifications and badges which you can share on LinkedIn platform. And they also take them very important as in hiring process. If you have a trailhead has a trailhead experience, then you can directly get in Salesforce. So there are very much benefits in this. And also they give you some cool prizes when you complete quests and skills. You got here skilled with their skill badges. So I am going to show you all the things. You doesn't need to go anywhere to know about this. So here join the learning adventure, and Trailhead have a very good things to involve you in a learning process. Here you can see is the fun way to learn in demand skills which needed for a Salesforce platform. And this is totally free. You can free online learning here. And also for motivation, they give you some quest badges and also some sweet prizes, so that your learning becomes more motivating. And also you get some very nice prizes from skill Salesforce. So here you can see choose a quest. You need to firstly choose any quest which is available on Trailhead, this platform, which I am going to share link in the description. After that, you need to complete that challenge. And there is a all time there are some things, some events are uh, already in already ongoing on the platform of Trailhead. And you can just complete any quest, means you just complete any different type of quest there, and you can see that you have got some points and some certificates. And also you got means you have a chance to get any prizes. So here there are some list of quests which you can now participate. And there already mentioned that here when you complete this quest, then you perfectly get this type of Trailhead blazers, means hoodie, this Trailblazer hoodie, also this skill badge, and also this t-shirt. And only 1000 t-shirts are there. And if you complete it as soon as possible, this is going to live on 23 June 2021. And with this quest is going to be live, you just go and you can register for this here. And after that, when it is going to live, then you just complete that quest, and you got a chance to get this t-shirt, hoodies. And also I think this community badge for all who complete that. So there is a badges, there is a t-shirt, there is a hoodie. So where you are looking, just complete this. So one more things you can see here, not only that event, you can see different type of events ongoing here. complete a trail mix for admins or developers between May 17 to 31st of July to unlock a community badge to enter win a Salesforce certification voucher. So Salesforce certification voucher is what? So you can see in Google Cloud they give some Google Cloud certifications. In AWS they issue some AWS Cloud Architect certification. So just like them, Salesforce also have some certification badges and certificates which you need to, which you, if you want to complete that, and if you want if you want to give the examination of that, then you need to pay some amount. So but if you complete this, then five of them is get Salesforce certification voucher, means you get free vouchers to complete that quest. So that certification, so these certifications are very very valuable. If you complete that certification, then you got at least one means that certification involves all type of quest and badges, and completing that means you are eligible to get any one of the job in Salesforce which is related to that. So next thing is consumer 360 guide quest. This is also ongoing, and this is a limited edition community badges are there for this. If you go and complete this, you got a free badges for sharing in community. Next thing is trail head live admins quest, and here you can see was the most popular episodes for awesome admins, and you can earn limited edition community badge. So here there is some certification vouchers, and for next two you got only some community badges which you can see on the screen, but this have some hoodies, t-shirts and badges also. Next thing is you can see some more opportunities are there to complete and get some cool prizes, and here you can see our regular quest designed to motivate and learning journey. That quest is going to start on 23rd of June, you can see here, but this is now ongoing, and you can participate in this type of quest, and you got directly this type of hoodies, this type of vouchers, and this type of some trailhead journal set. So here you can see this trailhead trail mix between June 1 to June 30. You need to complete that, and you got an exclusive community badge as well as you had a chance to win trailhead journal set. So this is going to give only 1 to 100 100 of this 100 of the those who completed that quest get this general quest. And here you can see different type of certification voucher already available. If you complete any super badges, you can see here, just tap on B supers, then you got some different type of badges are there. Then if you complete any super badges till June 1 to 30th of June, you can have a chance to get $200 Salesforce certification voucher for free, and this is Salesforce offering this to total 60 of the candidates who completed this. So next thing is, this is the very special, and that is a trailblazer hoodie and also communities badge, and this is going to be given to achieve trailhead ranger rank between June 1 to 30 June 2021 to enter a trailblazer hoodie, and total 50 hoodies are there. And if you complete this, you got a ranger badge on the platform of trailhead, then you are eligible to get this hoodies also. So you need to complete this type of things. So, and if you have any more questions, frequently asked questions about trailhead, you can go to this section in the below, and you can just go through all of this, and you get means your all confusion will be solved here. So this is the whole thing about this, and here you all get to know about eligible monetary prizes and different type of things if you have any doubts about this also. So these are the things. Now I am going to show you how you can register for this. This is a very special event going to start on 23rd of June. So here just tap on register for Hazard TDX 21, and you got this tab, and here you can see June 23rd 2021. Now we are going to see how we can register. You just tap on register for free and just tap on this, and when you tap on this, you can see this window which is opening, and here you need to just sign in with your different type of social media accounts, or if you have a Salesforce account, then you can register for that also. So here we need to made our profile firstly, my event registration, and what is here you can see company info, job title, company size, and different type of things asking. If you are a student, then you can write in company and company size, different type of things which is about your college or institution. So this is whole about this Salesforce event. If you like this video, please share with your friends and your colleagues, so that they get involved in this type of events, and they get also some cool prizes from Salesforce and Trailhead. So this much in this video. Meet in the next video with more and more knowledgeful videos and informative things.